Gold prices are dropping even as tensions ease between the U.S. and Iran. But inflation worries remain sky-high. What's driving this surprising market move right now? Following the recent U.S. Iran ceasefire, gold prices have taken a hit. Investors often turn to gold as a safe haven during geopolitical turmoil. But with the ceasefire calming immediate conflict fears, demand for gold as a crisis hedge dropped. This caused gold to fall, even though inflation concerns remain elevated. The Wall Street Journal reports that despite ongoing inflation fears, the easing of Middle East tensions led to this counterintuitive market reaction. Even with the ceasefire, inflation remains a major concern. High inflation pressures consumer prices and impacts the overall economy. This persistent inflation keeps investors uneasy, as it threatens purchasing power and economic stability. The U.S. Federal Reserve and major financial institutions are watching inflation closely, signaling possible interest rate changes. The ongoing inflation concerns are why gold's fall is surprising. Normally, inflation would support gold prices as a hedge. Investors are reacting to the reduced geopolitical risk from the U.S. Iran ceasefire by reallocating funds. With the threat of conflict diminished, many are moving money from safe havens like gold into stocks and bonds that offer better returns. This shift explains gold's price drop even though inflation remains high. Market dynamics show that geopolitical stability can temporarily outweigh inflation fears in influencing gold demand. Looking ahead, gold prices may recover if inflation intensifies or if new geopolitical risks emerge. The ceasefire is a fragile calm. Any breakdown could push investors back into gold. Similarly, if inflation spikes beyond current levels, gold's traditional role as an inflation hedge could boost demand. Traders and everyday investors should watch these factors closely, as they will heavily influence gold's trajectory. What does this mean for you? If you hold gold or related assets, this price drop could impact your portfolio's value. At the same time, ongoing inflation means everyday costs might keep rising. You may need to rethink your investment approach, balancing between safe havens and growth assets. Staying informed about geopolitical developments and inflation trends will help you make smarter financial decisions in this volatile environment. Gold's recent drop shows how delicate the balance is between geopolitical events and inflation fears. For your money, it means being ready to adjust as the situation evolves. Keep watching inflation and global tensions closely. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates that help you stay ahead in a fast-changing world.